Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stabilizing the trailer. Park on a level surface, chalk remaining wheels, and set the emergency brake. Next, disconnect from the tow vehicle and remove cargo so the axle is unloaded. You will jack under the axle center and immediately place jack stands. Choose stands rated above the trailer's weight. Once done, double-check blocks and stand placement to prevent shifting. Now you're safe to remove wheel nuts and slide off the tire to expose bearings, hub, and brake components. You'll now take off the hub assembly and remove bearings and seals, keeping a clear order for reassembly. Lay parts out on a clean tray. Then inspect the axle tube, spindle, U-bolts, spring seats, and brake components for cracks, score marks, or excessive rust. Measure bearing end play and spindle runout with a dial indicator or calipers. If runout exceeds manufacturer spec or spindle surfaces are scored, replace or machine them. Once you confirm the damaged components, prep replacement parts, and clean matings, you reinstall bearings packed with grease and new seals, fit the hub, and adjust the spindle nut to the correct preload, then back off to the specified lock position and secure the cotter pin or retainer. Next, retighten U-bolts and axle clamps to manufacturer torque, remount wheels, and lower the trailer. Make sure to torque lug nuts in a star pattern. Finally, take a short road test at low speed. If you hear noise or feel vibration, stop and check bearing preload, torque, and brake clearance. Those are the...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.